All right, next on the roster is the Pixel 7 Pro in this amazing hazel color. Yes, it is called hazel. Cool. I couldn't remember exactly what Google decided to call it, if there's some googly name. I really liked the quirky color names, like not or oh so orange or not pink or whatever. I thought it was funny. But for the same reason that I'm glad Android ditched, their dessert names for a little more professional. Ooh. That gold though, oh, I might have to get this one. That is amazing. That is way nicer than it looked online, which is saying something. Like, look at this. It looks dingy there, but this is literally chrome. This is not frosted. This is chrome. Oh, that is really... I might have to get this instead. This is a very, very cool device. Ooh, I'm very impressed. All the rims are the same color. Buttons are the same color. Very clicky. I really like that this one is not as curved. It is still curved, which again, take it or leave it. But this is a badass device. Fingerprints aren't nearly as bad as this one. Oh, yeah, I'm really reconsidering the white one that I was planning on getting at this point. Let's get it powered on. This is going to have, as you can see, pretty symmetrical bezels. The curve is much less drastic than the 6 Pro. So I think that's going to be good. It's going to have 3 lenses, again with the telephoto, and then the 48 megapixel main sensor that does not bin down this time, which is awesome. Wireless charging, obviously, reverse wireless charging, all that good stuff. We're going to have that same really nice haptics, the same great colors. Oh, look at that. I got to get a thumbnail for this. And the same startup screen. That is really, really nice. If you're going for either one of these, go for this one. Hands down.